Good afternoon, welcome. This is government year 2012 government pass question. Jamb pass question. Question number 23. Question number 23 says a permanent structure that facilitates continuity and guarantees orderly contact in governance is dash. A permanent structure that facilitates continuity and guarantees orderly contact in governance is dash. So the question is saying which of these bodies actually facilitate continuity and guarantee orderliness in governance. So option A say bureaucracy, B say public corporation, C say ombudsman, D say political party. The the structure that facilitates continuity in governance and orderliness in governance is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.